In our increasingly diverse and interconnected world, many interests that were once considered obscure or niche have become more accessible and integrated into popular culture than ever thought possible. Good Game Connect, or GG, is a full-stack browser application that allows users to connect with people in their own communities and around the world for the purpose of playing games. Some kinds of games are immensely popular, particularly sports, which have the benefit of being traditional, centuries-old pastimes. Meanwhile, video games, as a result of their inherent accessibility and connection to technology, have recently overtaken sports as the world's most popular kind of games. However, many types of games, while more popular than ever before, are still considered relatively fringe. Future updates will expand support to games of all kinds, but GG currently focuses on these more obscure formats, particularly board games, card games, and tabletop role-playing games, facilitating an effort to overcome difficulties players often experience in finding and developing communities in which to play.
GG currently operates on desktop and mobile browsers and was built using React components and routing. Some of the primary technologies employed in GG include the Mapquest Geolocation API and the Google Reverse Geolocation API, which both serve as user location services. The Board Game Atlas API provides the foundation of the library of games accessible to users. Bootstrap's custom file upload, Cloudinary media management, and the Express file upload library allow users to upload media, such as their profile pictures.
The ability to seamlessly search for games and players is a core function of GG. At the moment, 105 games are supported, but that list is growing. The majority of the game data comes from the Board Game Atlas API and is stored in the apps database. Visitors can browse our library of games and can search for specific games in a variety of ways. A specific game can be chosen by searching by name, or a list of games can be returned from the advanced search menu. To view every game in the library, simply clear the search filter. When logged in, users have the ability to add games to their favorites list. Adding favorite games allows users to expand their profile and increase their chances of showing up in a search. When searching for people, the results are based on distance from the user's location. On the Find Players page, users are able to return a list of fellow gamers who are searching for other players. From the results, users can view the other player's profile or start a chat with them. Upon reviewing their profile, you can see a list of their friends, a list of their favorite games, and some more information about them. This helps users develop connections, providing an idea of other players' interests and personalities and their potential as a match.
The interactive chat feature allows users to communicate with each other. This real-time chat feature was built by integrating a library called Socket.io, which is what allows for the real-time calls for chat data. Chats are also saved so that users can return to revisit conversations after leaving the session. Users can also navigate to their chats through the Find Players feature or the chat landing page using the icon in the navigation bar.
Since the primary function of Good Game Connect is to help users find local gamers in their area, it was critical to capture their location during profile creation. The default option available to the user is to allow geolocation through their web browser via a call to navigator.geolocation, which returns an approximation of the user's current GPS location, which is then stored in the database. Good Game Connect then uses the Google Reverse Geolocation API to turn the user's GPS coordinates into a user-friendly city, state, and zip code to display, letting the user know that their location has been correctly determined by the application. Alternatively, if the user opts out of geolocation, or if any errors occur along the way, the user is prompted for their zip code. The Mapquest Geolocation API then transforms the zip code into GPS coordinates to store in the database. When a user searches for players by game and location, the geolib library is used to calculate distances between players. Users start out with a default avatar, but are able to upload a custom profile picture through the user settings page. The front-end file upload is styled with Bootstrap. On the back end, Express File Upload Library was used to allow the image file to be saved in a temporary directory. It is then uploaded to Cloudinary, a cloud-based media management system, and the unique Cloudinary URL is stored in the GG database to display the user's profile image throughout the site.